もらえますか？本当？Yeah.
ちゃんと洗濯して。
ちょっとほら。Okay, じゃあ I'll have to watch this one. Countryside festivals in Japan are always better than big city festivals, in my opinion. And in this video, we are checking out the Fushiki Hikiyama Festival in Takaoka City. There, I meet some of the friendly locals, and you'll witness their fighting spirit as this small town still recovers from a devastating earthquake that struck just 5 months earlier. We pay a visit to a sweet little old lady for a bite to eat. Once again, I don't know if it's this good or I'm just really hungry. I also share with you guys a little travel hack that I use for doing laundry. And if you haven't already, please check out the previous episodes of the Bike Tour Across Japan series. Ibnu mo kekkon shimashita. And like and subscribe and comment as it helps spread the video to newer audiences. That don't look too bad. Some raisin bread, peanut butter, banana, and honey, open-faced little sandwiches. おはようございます。休憩中ですか？なんかね、泊まりました。あ、泊まったんですか？あ、そう、テントで、ここで。That boy was not happy, was he? He needs to cheer up. It's a beautiful day today. Thank you to this beautiful piece of grass right here for last night. Slept like a baby. I think I made it just in time for the start of the festival. I think this is going to be pretty cool. I'm glad I found this last night. It's been a while since I've been to a Japanese festival. I'm excited. 4 or 5 years? So I guess that's what they do. They just roll down the streets through the neighborhoods, doing their little chant. They've hung these up all along the neighborhoods here. I think these represent something to do with the Shinto religion. But each one of these groups right here represents a different machi, a different part of the neighborhood, a different part of the city. And I guess that's kind of what they do. They just roll through the neighborhoods. Everyone comes out here and takes their pictures and witnesses the show. Alrighty, so the coin laundry costs like at least $1,000 for wash and dry. It's like $7 for a load. I'll pass. I would rather wash my stuff in a sink and let it air dry out here in the hot sun. What a beautiful sight. It's crazy there's still snow on those mountains over there. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm not gonna go up there and pay $10 to do a load of laundry. No. We're gonna do some laundry right here. Let me show you how we're gonna do it. We're gonna use my dry bag. We're gonna use these laundry sheets right here that you can pick up on Amazon. They're great. And we're just gonna wash the clothes inside the bag and then hang them up right here to dry. Hey, nice timing. So, yeah, slowly but surely I'm gonna do 2 or 3 items at a time, hang them up to dry, and then, I don't know, it's a beautiful day. Get some sun, I might go take a dip, maybe work on the computer right here. The festival, it's going to be going on all day. Like, there's no need just to like sit around and watch those things roll by. Later on, what I do want to go see is when they smash them together. That'll be cool. But for now, I'm going to enjoy a couple onigiris and then do some laundry and chill out. All right, so apparently it doesn't take much, just like 1/4 of a sheet here. Put it right in the bag. I got my smart wool and my pants in there, so I'm just gonna wash those two together right now. All right, got a good amount of water in there. You can see the suds already working. Now what you do is you just close it up. This one has a little valve at the bottom so you can let all the extra air out. And then you just wash it like this. Sure, it's not perfect, but better than nothing. They actually sell little dry bags that are meant to do this. They have a little like gristle, like rubber, like pad in there, which will help get the dirt and grime out. But I didn't want to spend the money. I would just use a regular dry bag and do it this way. Maybe not as clean, but like I said, better than nothing. I think this is the most hobo shit I've ever done in my life. I think I got just about everything I own drying right now besides the board shorts that I'm wearing. But the sun's out, it's gonna dry quick. Even got my sleeping bag over here getting some sun. Didn't wash it because, well, yeah, it's just too big. But it's good to get it aired out when possible. Let's go for a little dip. See if there's anything out there to look at while my clothes dry off. There is a little island out there. Wonder if I can swim out to it. It ain't no warm Filipino water, that's for sure. Damn, it's cold. Damn, it is freezing. Oh. Some cold water. That is some cold water. Whew. Yeah, I'm not swimming out there. Nope, that's too far. That is too far with this cold water. Shit. Went for a swim, come back, and the crows had gotten into my little baggie here and tore apart my oats. The oats that Nick T gave me. And they ate my bread. Damn, those crows they got a good sense of smell, don't they? I mean, all my stuff out here, kind of messy, but they knew right where to go. Great little break. Nice little swim. Laundry is done. I'll definitely be heading back there tonight, though, I think. If I stick around this city, right now I want to go see how the festival's doing. I want to go see if there's any festival food. Go find some yakisoba or takoyaki or something like that. Guess now we're at the stage in the festival where you carry the gods around. 結構重いよね。
日本語 OK？
日本語 OK です。
もう英語ペラペラ。
本当？
得意、大得意。
What's your name?
ひろゆき柴田。
柴田。柴田さん。
そうそう。名前は？
My name is Nick.
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 Nick. どこの人？
I'm American.
アメリカ。
So the 神様 it lives here.
神様デクさん。
ここに住んでいますか？違うなんか。
今日だけ。today。
今日だけ。
today。
今日じゃなくてどこにいますか？お寺？
倉庫。
今休憩ですか？祭りの休憩。あとはバトルがありますよね。あとはね、祭り食べ物とかありますか？終点。
今日はない。
ないんだ。
今年はない。
ちょっと
今年
地震で被害が大きいから
今年はない。
地震があったからないんだ。
そうそうそう。
あ、この辺はどうだった？
この辺道もひどい、家もひどい。
On January 1st, 2024, at 4:10 p.m., a 7.6 earthquake struck the Noto Peninsula.
My workplace was completely destroyed by the tsunami, and all my work tools are gone. It feels like 3 months have gone by, and I haven't been able to do anything.
残念。みんな何食べますか？
おにぎり。
おにぎりとかおにぎり。
これ今撮ったよ。
見た。
あ、撮った。
で編集して
そう。
編集して 100K で調べたら出てきま
あ、そうなの。オッケーオッケー。
す。オッケーオッケー。チャンネル登録。
それでこの辺は美味しいレストランとかがありますか？おすすめのは
再開食堂。
あ
ちょっと調べたら再開食堂。
大海食堂。手ぬぐいもかっこいい。
俺の？あれ持っとるやん。
持ってる。
持っとる
手ぬぐい大好き。
やるよ。
いやいや。
いらない？
それだったら一坂町のあげたを
ダメ
寿司
なんか意味がありますかこれ？
僕が。
そうです。
これ
同じだね。本当だ。同じ。わ、いいね。いいねいいねいいね。
いろいろな町のマーク。
街の漢字みたい。オッケー。もらえますか？本当？イエーイ。
ちゃんと選択して
ちょっとほら、オッケー。じゃあ、あと watch this one。とは制服はなんか何と言いますか？なんか
ハッピー。
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 ハッピーという。
胸当て
胸
当て
胸当て。
パッチ
パッチ。
旅
旅。
ハッピー。
ハッピー、それハッピーだね。ハッピー。いいね、ありがとうございます。あ、空いてますか？はい、はい、どうぞ。ありがとうございます。いつも一人ですか？
はい。
Wow. Running this place by herself. ランチはお客さん結構来た？いっぱい来た？
今日は割と、来てくれちゃった。いつもは暇長いけど、やっぱお祭りやから。
いつも暇？
いつも暇なんです。
いただきます。So we got some beef and onions and rice.
はい、ありがとう。
こんにちは。こんにちは。こんにちは。Little snack before the party. This might be the first Japanese festival I've ever been to where everyone appears to be extremely sober. Haven't seen one drop of alcohol here yet. That is very rare for Japan. So I was just standing here, and this guy Ryuta came up and said hello, chit chatting with him. He lived in Takasaki for 4 years, right? And then he was telling me he traveled from New York all the way to California by RV. It's getting kind of noisy here. They're passing through. Oh, Ryuta, what were you saying was special about this year?
Yeah, only local people.
Only local people.
Yeah.
And that's because like the big earthquake a few months ago. So I guess this year is maybe a little tamer, but he was saying I'm lucky to be here because you know, not so many outsiders from this town are here this year. Thank you, Ryuta. It was nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. So I think that's kind of it. And I think that's as close as we're going to be able to get. They do have some bleachers and some stands over there for the special people, the VIPs, but everyone else has to stand back here and watch it from a distance. So it's a little bit underwhelming, I'd say. Here they go again. everybody goes, ooh, whoa, wow, you know. I think that's it. I think that's it. I'll have to play I guess a different video on YouTube of a close-up so I can get a better idea too, I guess. Welcome to my humble abode. And this is how I sleep. I am I'm covered up. I am trying to stay warm. So this is what I got to do with my sleeping bag because the zipper on the end broke, and so to keep my feet warm I sleep with my raincoat on like this, covering the end of my sleeping bag to keep my toes warm, because honestly last night I was freezing. I even bring in my hammock here, and it's kind of my last resort. If I'm freezing, I'll open that up and put that on top of me. I did get some more information there at the end. I talked to another local and was just like, is this it? You know, and because everyone was standing from like really far away, and only a few number of people got to get up close, and they're like, oh yeah, this is it. This is as close as you can get this year. Usually they have it at a different location, and she was like, yeah, you can get right up next, not right up next to it obviously, but you can get closer and get a better view of it. And so, you know, I kept wanting to compare it to the festivals in Gunma, because they're awesome. Anyways, I'm gonna get some sleep. Time to end the video. Thanks for watching, and good night.